10, 11, and 12 are graphing our ellipse that is going to be centered at the origin. If it's going to be centered at the origin, what we want to get this back into in standard form. So you'll notice in standard form your equation's always equal to 1. So whatever we have over here, we're going to divide everything by. So in this case, I'm going to divide by 400, divide by 400, divide by 400. So on the top, I'm going to be left with just an x squared. And on the top of the other one, I'm going to have a y squared, and it's equal to 1. So 400 divided by 16, if I grab my calculator, 400 divided by 16 would give me 25. 25 divided by 400, guess what? It's probably 16, huh? 16. So we won't have any parentheses on the top, which means we have a plain x squared and a plain y squared, that my center is at 0, 0. Well, by the name, centered at the origin, hopefully you already knew the center was going to be at 0, 0. So here I'm going to do the square root of 25, which means I'm going to open up 5 for my vertex. The square root of 16 is going to be 4 for my co-vertex. So again, I'm going to place the center. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, which also opens it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, which is also going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 down for my co-vertex. And my ellipse is going to be centered around the origin. My vertex was 5, my co-vertex was 4, and so my answer looks something sort of like that if I could draw an ellipse. So really the whole thing you're going to do is just divide by whatever your n number is to get it into standard form, and then do it like we did the previous problems. So on number 11, we're going to divide by 16. So we're going to have x squared over 16 plus, this is going to be 1, so just to remind you, it's y squared over 1 equals 1. Again, my center is going to be at the origin, so at 0, 0, and then the square root of 16 is 4, and then the square root of 1 is 1. So I center it at 0, 0. I go 4 to the right, which also opens it up 4 to the left for my vertex. I go 1 up, which also opens it 1 down for my co-vertex. And my ellipse looks something sort of like that. Number 12. This one I'm going to divide by 100. So I'm going to have x squared over 25, nope, over 4. 25, or 100 divided by 25 is 4, plus y squared over 25 equals 1. So 100 divided by 25 went in there 4 times. 4 goes into 125 times. Again, my center is going to be at the origin, so at 0, 0. This time I'm going to have the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 25 is 5. So I centered it at 0, 0, opens up 2 to the right and left, opens up 5 up and down, and so my ellipse is going to be taller up and down than it is wide, since my bigger number was under my y, and it's going to look something sort of like that.